Hi, I'm Andrew with Neff Automation. We're here today to show you the Robotiq PE20 Palletizer. This palletizer has a payload capacity of 20 kilograms. Let's jump into setting up a typical palletizer node. Starting with an empty program, we're going to expand the UR caps on the left. We're going to add a palletizer node and hit start. First step would be selecting our units. We're going to go with Imperial. Next is defining our box size. Our box is 11.125 by 14 and a quarter by 9 inches and a weight of a quarter pound. Here's where we can set the orientation of our label. Pay attention to the tool connector on the robot to set the right orientation. We're going to set ours to the right-hand side so that our labels will be pointing to the outside of the pallet. We'll set that in the pattern next. Next is setting the grip position. Select the button here for set grip position. Now jog the robot to the center of the box. And once you've got it there, select OK. Now we've got our box dimensions in, we've got the weight, we've got the grip position set. We're going to go back to home and we're going to define our pallet. Our pallet is 41 by 47 by 4.875. And we're going to be doing the right-hand side. Next we set our pattern. Hit Edit on Pattern 1. Select Add Box. And here's where you can choose to have snapping or movement steps. So now when you click left or right or up or down, it moves it by that much. You can also do snapping, which will just shoot it to the next open spot, whether that be the edge of the pallet or the next box. I like to put a little bit of space between each box because you'll never grip it perfectly. Notice that I'm putting the arrows pointing outward. That's so that the labels will be pointing outward on the pallet. This one's facing the wrong way. Down that one, down that one. And then over, down. So there's one layer. For pattern 2, we're going to try using the auto generator. Looks pretty good, but I'm going to add just a little bit of spacing between these. And there we go. We've got 2 patterns set. Next we set our sequence. We're going to have 2 layers in this example. Hit Edit Layer Sequence. And for this one, we'll alternate from 1 and 2. We'll start with 1, end with 2. Head back home. And that's the end of setting up the box, the pallet, and the pattern. Next we have to tell it how to grip the box. We're going to go to the grip command or grip section of the palletizing node and we're going to add a set command. Here's where we're going to set the output for our gripper. And then for release, we're going to do the same thing except turning it off. Now that we've got it completed, we're going to go up top here and change it to automatic. Then hit play. It's going to ask us the current state of our pallet. We have no boxes on our pallet right now, so this is good. Had we had an issue with our program running, we can add boxes here. Let's say it stopped here and you had an issue. You can go in here and tell it where it's at. If this box had an issue, you can remove one, or for our case, it's empty. Thanks for watching. Reach out to your local NEP representative for any questions about palletizing.